Hey guys, and happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started today, which is February 6th, and they are good up until Saturday, February 12th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay, you guys, I will also have a Google document linked in the description box below, just in case you guys wanted to check that out. Also, you guys, this transaction went okay. There was an issue on my end, and then I also had an item ring up 99 cents more than what it was supposed to, even though I scanned the item on the app and it showed for the sale price. So that was really weird to me. And then I also forgot to grab an item that was on my list. So we're going to go ahead and talk about this transaction, but at the end of everything, this transaction still ended up being a fantastic transaction. So let's go ahead and get started. I used a digital booster, you guys. Get $15 in Walgreens cash when you spend $60. So the first items we're going to go ahead and start with are these 3 Oral-B toothbrushes. So this week at Walgreens, Oral-B toothbrushes are priced at $3. And when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 store coupon. So what you're going to want to do is purchase 3 at $3, and that's going to bring your total to $9. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, and then we also have a $1 off of 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So in coupons total, that will be $4. So $9 minus $4, that will bring your total down to $5. And then when you buy 3, you will receive back a $5 store coupon, which I did receive right here. And with receiving back this $5 store coupon, that made my toothbrushes completely free. But not only that, if you check your IBOTTA accounts, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $1 back. The limit is 5. I purchased 3, so I got $1 back 3 times, totaling $3. So that makes these toothbrushes completely free, plus a $3 moneymaker. But you guys, even though I scanned all 3 of these toothbrushes on the Walgreens app, they all showed for the $3 sale price. Once I received my receipt, I noticed that one of these toothbrushes rang up at $3.99. I was like, are you serious? But I did not want to go back in the store and return it and get the one for $3. So I just went ahead and just said forget it, and I just went ahead and paid the $3.99. So completely free plus a $3 moneymaker. And then next up, I grabbed a total of, you can only see 1, but I do have 3 back there. I grabbed a total of 3 Angel Soft Tissue at $4.99. And they are buy 3 and get a $3 registry reward. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to purchase 3 at $4.99, and that's going to bring your total to $14.97. I went to the Angel Soft website and I printed off this $1.50 coupon. I actually printed off 3, you guys, and I thought that all 3 would scan for me. But when she tried to scan the other 2, they just simply would not scan. So only $1.50 came off for me, which is still a good deal. And then we also have a 50-cent digital, but I had that one clipped to my account, but it did not come off for me. So for all 3, it's going to bring your total to $14.97 minus this $1.50 Angel Soft coupon. That's going to bring your total to $13.47. And then when you buy 3, you will receive back a $3 registry reward, which I did receive right here, bringing my total down to $10.47 for all 3 packs, or it makes each pack just $3.44. And then I went ahead and I grabbed this Purex laundry detergent, and this is priced at Walgreens for $8.49. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing the total down to just $5.49. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 6 of the Renews It air fresheners, which I am so excited about these, you guys, because I have 0 in my stockpile, and these are the items that I sell the most in my bundles. So I'm super excited for this deal, and I am most definitely stocking up this week. But the Renewsits are priced at 89 cents. And we have a digital coupon, buy 4, get 2 free. So you're going to purchase 6 at 89 cents, and that's going to bring your total to $5.34. The digital coupon should take off a total of $1.78. Now, sometimes you have to be careful with that digital coupon because it won't always take off the full $1.78, which is what happened in my case. It only took off 89 instead of 178. But I did contact customer service, and the representative actually credited $1 to my account instead of 89 cents. So when you purchase it, it'll be $5.34 minus the 178 digital coupon. That's going to bring your total down to $3.56 for all 6, or it's going to make each one just 59 cents. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 6 bags of chips, 6 bags of Lay's chips, and they are buy 1 get 1 free. And they are priced at $4.09. So 3 rung up at $4.09, 3 rung up completely free. So $4.09 times 3 is $12.27. We do have a 4 off of 5 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $12.27 minus that $4 digital coupon brought my total down to $8.27 for all 6 bags, or it makes each bag just $1.38. And then I went ahead and grabbed this Palmolive dish soap for 99 cents. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing your total down to just 49 cents. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner, and these are priced at Walgreens at 2 for $8. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $8 minus that $4 digital coupon will bring your total down to $4. And then we also have a $2 IVC coupon on the Walgreens app. So $4 minus that $2 IVC coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $2 for both, or it's going to make each one just $1. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. Oh, before I show you guys my receipts, with my digital spend booster, I have a digital spend booster for get $15 back when you spend $60. So guys, like I mentioned earlier in my video, I forgot to grab one item, and that one item was the Persil laundry detergent. Because I forgot to grab that item, that brought me under the $60 threshold that I needed to spend in order to receive my $15. But thankfully to Walgreens customer service, they said that since I was close, they went ahead and credited my account with the $15. So my total was at $58.02. So I was literally $1.98 away. And because of that, customer service went ahead and credited my account. And because guys, if I would not have gotten credited that $15, I'm sorry, I would have most definitely returned this and did the transaction again, because that's $15. But now let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So there are the chips at buy 1 get 1 free. There's the Palmolive, all 6 of the Renewsits, both of my L'Oreal Elvive. There's both Oral-B toothbrushes at $3, 3 packages of Angel Soft Tissue, my Purex, and then here is the Oral-B toothbrush that rung up at $3.99, guys. I also had a paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. So there's my $1.50 digital coupon, well, paper coupon for Angel Soft, $4 digital for Elvive, $4 digital for the Lay's, $3 digital for the Oral-B, $3 digital for the Purex, $1 for the Oral-B, 50 cents for the Palmolive. And as you guys can see right here, for the Renewsit, only 89 cents came off instead of 178. So it brought my subtotal to $40.16. I did use my Walgreens MasterCard to pay for that. And I earned back a total of $11.30. So my total came out to be $40.16. I earned back $11.30. Of that $11, the $9 came from me spending $40, and the extra came from the Walgreens everyday points. So $40.16 minus that $11.30 brought my total down to $28.86. Then I contacted customer service about my digital booster, and the customer service did go ahead and credit my account with $15. So $28.86 minus $15 from customer service brought my total down to $13.86. Then I got back my $5 store coupon for purchasing the Oral-B and my $3 register reward for purchasing the Angel Soft. So that's a total of $8 in rewards. So $13.86 minus the $8 in rewards brought my total down to $5.86. Then once I noticed that only 89 cents came off for the Renews It, I contacted customer service again, and instead of her crediting me 89 cents, she credited me $1. So $5.86 minus the $1 that I received from customer service, that brought my total down to $4.86. And then when you submit your receipt to IBOTTA for the toothbrushes, you will receive back $1 for each one. So I received back $3 from IBOTTA. So $4.86 minus the $3 that I received back from IBOTTA brought my grand total down to just $1.86 for everything that you see here, guys. So my goal was free, and it would have been free if all three of my Angel Soft coupons would have scanned. If all three of these would have scanned, my total would have most definitely been completely free. But I have no complaints, you guys. I am so happy about this Walgreens transaction. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Lately, YouTube has not been recommending my videos, you guys. So please, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share it. Leave me some comments down in the comment section. Let me know what you are getting from Walgreens this week, or what you have already gotten from Walgreens this week. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I did submit my receipts, and I did get some points back for each bag of my Lay's chips. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Same thing with IBOTTA. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So again, that is going to be it for this video, you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.